Always join photo contests on social media platforms. Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Social media marketing hack number 17 advises you to always join photo contests on social media platforms. Many social media platforms have users who have developed photo contests in which they upload photos with the same backgrounds. Photo contests are generally photos taken in relatively the same backgrounds, but with different people or items of interest. Elf on the Shelf is one of the most famous of these. In photo contests, users tend to take advantage of relatively similar backgrounds to see whose background best suits the photo taken. It's important to note that these contests do not necessarily require winners and losers, but are instead meant to instigate discussions and engagements that pass time and entertain. During social media photo contests, users often incorporate a number of discussions in which they compare photos and discuss how these photos impact their daily lives. During such discussions, sponsors of user-generated content are attracted. This plays a significant role in attracting more and more attention towards the photo contests. You should therefore take advantage of the traffic drawn by photo contests and take part in these contests as a way of attracting more viewers to your promotional information. Even if the contest has no relation to your product or service, you can grow your social presence by participating. To stay connected to me, subscribe and hit the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, life is good.